the sunlight, a story to be told. Yellow like the sunflowers, reaching for the light. It brings a smile to our faces. Oh, what a sight! Blue like the ocean, deep and wide. It whispers to the waves like a gentle tide. Green like the grass beneath our feet, so fresh and alive, it's nature's heartbeat. Colors, colors shining bright in our world, they bring delight. From the sky to the ground, let's see what's around. With every hue, our joy is found. Colors, colors, sing along. In our hearts, they make us strong. With every shade, we'll celebrate. In this colorful world we create. Purple like the twilight, soft and sweet. It wraps us in dreams, a cozy retreat. Orange like the sunset,